Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Altcoin Buzz. Trading market is perking up. Now, we're not completely majorly broken out, but we are getting above the resistance points that we've been discussing. 200 daily moving average, the prior high over here, and we are pushing higher. Volume yesterday was really good with above average volume, and today we'll see what we end up with. It's not as good as yesterday so far, but VA2 looks pretty good. Buyers are in firm control across our RSI trend line. Daily volume aggregation tool looks good as well. Although we would like more verticality in it, we don't really have a lot of super high volume candles at the moment. But we're looking good. There's really nothing wrong with this chart. This is what it needs to do. So whether it's just building, step by step higher or launching forward 10% at a time, it's constructive. So at least we've broken the trend of trying to go down again. That's a big benefit because that hasn't happened most of the year this year. I kind of feel like this is Groundhog Day. Um, yeah, Groundhog Day. So that's about it. So far, doing pretty good here. Ideally, one of these lows holds. I mean, that's really the key, right? Is one of the keys is where to put your stop. That's something I always look at. Where's a good stop loss? And can I manage that stop loss with the position I'm considering? And in this situation, on the daily, you're looking at yesterday's low because that was the low prior to the breakout. And that's not a bad place to be. Just underneath of that a little bit is the low for the whole basing structure. Which right here is at 62,375. So that is something you can look at as well. You don't want to put anything on the 200-day. You also kind of want to be a little bit under where you want to put your stop. So from that perspective, a little bit under that number. But other than that, you really can't go all the way down here into the 57s. That's just untenable. So we're also probably well within the 5% area for buying this thing. Yeah, 1.3%, 1.2%. So looking good from that perspective. Bitcoin giving everyone the potential to run. I think this is kind of the market testing the rally and letting it go. So hopefully it goes and they buy in. All right, next up is Solana, which is doing good stuff as well. Kind of like Bitcoin testing going higher, not really launching upwards though, which I'm not sure if this will turn into a problem or not, but price action wise, look at the volume aggregation tool. The buyers are just flat. The sellers are just flat. There's really not a lot going on here. RSI is flat, 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 flat. We are moving up a little bit, and that's fine. Obviously, nothing wrong with that, but we do want to get verticality. We want to get vertical, like a lot of other altcoins right now. But I'm guessing they're accumulating those altcoins. They probably have been buying Solana and BTC all the way through these large bases that they've been building. They'll load up at these lows. You think this high volume candle was much ado about nothing? No, they ate up Solana like like a blue whale eating krill is really what they did. Look at that volume candle. What else were they doing? So they bought it there, they bought it there, they nibbled at it everywhere else. So they probably have their fill, they're just not running it yet. All right, on to our hot coins of the day. Shiba Swap and Pepe, which is Pepe. Shiba Inu. I keep saying Shiba Swap, but Shiba Inu. Shiba is on a tear right now. Huge day yesterday. I'm not even sure what it closed at, but yeah, 22% day for Shiba yesterday and not really stopping today. Going forward again right now. If you want to be very aggressive, stop under the low of this candle as it's continuing to break out. Um, and yeah, you can do that if you want to try that. But getting really vertical, these meme stocks can go really vertical really fast. And it looks like we're in the middle of one of those movements right now. So if you want to jump on, your stop has to be aggressive. You don't want to hold on to this in perpetuity. If it fails, you just want to exit. You don't want to hold. You want to exit. It's probably not going to come back. The saving grace of something like this, though, right now, even though it's up a lot, it's fairly early in a potential move. You can get all the way up here to the 36, 38, 63, and that's a substantial move away. So, it is fairly early in the move. It just started yesterday, as a matter of fact. The consolidation was barely a consolidation, and we're already moving again. So this could be one to jump on if you really want to. And Pepe also, another meme coin, getting vertical. Not as vertical as Shiba. Shiba will probably end up passing Pepe if it keeps the trajectory that it's been on, but this is pretty good here as well. So very vertical there. One thing to note is the volume isn't nearly as high as these early moves because now most people are looking out for them. So, and they've already built positions elsewhere. But good stuff here. We'll probably stay vertical on these two tokens for a little bit. And the rest of the market, looking at the top 50, Dogecoin is included in that. That's another meme token. And that's really about it, actually. So market's doing good. We're in an uptrend. Um, to sustain it, though, we do need Bitcoin. We do need Solana to finally get off their butts and really do something. But it looks like they're moving the alts first this time. So good stuff there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me today for the best 5 minutes of your day at Altcoin Buzz Trading. And I will see you on Monday for my last show on the channel. So I hope to see you guys then. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.